Hey, I'm Sarah Williams, subscription box owner and coach, and I've got 4 unique subscription box business ideas that you can start today. If you've watched any of my videos before, you've heard me say the riches are in the niches. You really need to niche down to find the sweet spot in building your subscription box business. What are you passionate about? How can you niche it down? Let's take any industry and create unique subscription boxes in that category. I want to get your gears turning so that you can think about your own passions and create a unique idea around your subscription box. So let's just start really broad and we'll just go into pet subscription boxes. We've got everything on the market from Bark Box to Kitnip Box to some that are in my membership like the Guinea Pig Box and the Dog Mom Lifestyles Box. But let's niche down. I'm going to give you some examples of how we're going to brainstorm this. So I just start to think about different niches inside pet subscription. So if I go pet subscription, then I have to think about which animal. So then I'm going to think about, let's just do dogs. So then if I think about all the different types of dog boxes that are on the market, what would make me unique and different? What if I did an eco-friendly dog box where it had environmentally friendly pet products? This might include like biodegradable toys, organic treats, sustainable grooming supplies. We could do a whole box about being eco-friendly. Number 2, what about a DIY treat kit? A box that provides dog owners with ingredients, recipes, and tools to create homemade healthy treats. You know those people that like to make their dog's food? That's who this box would be for. Or number 3, I think about this a lot because I have an 11-year-old dog, but what about a senior pet box? You could cater to the needs of senior pets, including like joint supplements, softer treats, and comfort items that are tailored to older dogs. Those are some ways that you can niche down from a broad industry into a pet, into some of those niches for that pet. So I want to give you an example. Let's do another example, okay? That was the pet industry. Let's say I want to start a book subscription box. Okay, so when I think about starting a book subscription box, I have to think about what kind of books, who is my reader, what is the genre that I want to use in my subscription box? How do we niche down to find the right person? We can't just say I'm starting a book subscription box. People are going to want to know what kind of books. Am I going to like these books? Who is this for? So I've had 3 ideas of niching down a book industry subscription box. We could call it the romance junkie box. This is like those smutty romance novels that women love to read. I had a few on my shelf. I love those. What about number 2? I thought about the literary traveler, someone that loves to travel through their books, whether that's fiction or nonfiction, but you could really transport them into another culture each month with a book that you've selected. I always think about me, like what am I passionate about? That's when I think about niching down into these categories, I always think about me. You saw me talk about my senior dog on the first one. So I think about the budding business owner box. What if I were to deliver a box to brand new business owners that was a business book that would really help them along their business journey? So I want you to think about ways that you can niche down in similar fashion. Any industry you can do this for. Let me give you another example. The arts and crafts industry. These boxes are killing it right now. Okay. We have so many members inside my membership Launch Your Box that are generating 6 and 7 figures from these types of boxes. Now, we can niche this down in a lot of ways. We can go towards, a different type of art or craft. We can talk watercolors. We could have a mixed media box. We could do wood crafts. We could teach lettering. We could do DIY home decor. So we could go into any of those categories, but we wouldn't want to mix all of those categories, okay? So we want to be specific about what is in this box, but you could actually go deeper. Maybe you're a therapist. Maybe you want to create an art therapy box, something that has like guided art projects designed to promote maybe relaxation and stress relief, even mindfulness. Think about the industry and then how could you niche it down? Let's talk about another example. I have a boutique/gift shop, and let's talk about different ideas. Like if you are sitting here and you have a boutique and you're like, I've got a business, how could I build a box around it? You could do a seasonal style box. You could keep up with trends and holidays all in one box for every season. You could ship that out monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, whatever works for you, but you could do a seasonal style box. You could also do a graphic tee subscription, but I want you to niche that down even further. My niche is inspirational tees. What about snarky tees? What about, rock band tees? There's all kinds of different tees that you could really niche down into and create a graphic tee subscription. You could even do something a little more niche in people's style. You could do like Western wear. I see like button-ups, pearl snaps, graphic tees, big chunky jewelry. You could do something like a workplace wear, like people that worked in an office, you could cater to those professionals, and you could offer some stylish tops and bottoms and accessories that people would wear to the office. I think about where people live a lot, so geography makes a big difference to me. You could do a beach babe box. It could be cover-ups and towels and swimsuits and, loose clothing that you would wear to the beach. No matter what industry you get into, I want you to brainstorm 4 or 5 niche down ideas that you can get started right now.